Hey guys, welcome back. You know, sorry if I sounded really shy on the last voiceover. I'm just getting used to the ropes, you know, just getting used to it. I'm telling you, when I get used to it, y'all are gonna be sick of me. Anyway, today I am showing you my most hated job in the salon. But then again, I love it because if it's not done correctly, I wouldn't be functioning right. So today I'll be prepping hair. I'll be prepping the braiding hair. It's Xpression. That's what I mostly use. And yeah, the importance of pulling, stretching, whatever you want to call it, prepping the hair, is so that you have really nice ends that are not blunt and start unraveling as soon as you leave the salon. See, we're not doing that. I love when the braid is just nice and tight and not at the roots. I mean the actual plait itself. It's tight, it's seamless, and the ends are properly braided. So when you put it in the hot water just gives it even more for security. But you know, for all these things, the base, the foundation has to be correct, and that's what I'm teaching you guys today. Just a quick rundown though, what you're gonna see. You're gonna see how I organize the hair. So I'm cutting the hair for waist length, hip length kind of length, and to do that you have to cut the hair into 3, and you're gonna see how I try and cut the hair into 3 equal parts. It's always a try. You're not gonna get it all the time. Actually, no, take that back. You will get it all the time if you follow this way. But what I mean is that you'll have to like adjust it a few times to get all the equal parts that you need to get. So that's what I'm going to show you. Then you're going to cut it, and then I'll show you how to pull the hair in small bits, because you really want to create a feathery kind of hair, wispy hair texture afterwards from the blunt cut that you're starting from. And yeah, I'm going to show you that. And yeah, how to brush out the hair, tie it up, and keep it moving, keep it going. And then lastly, how I layer it onto my rack, ready to braid my client's hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it's a little commentary. As I said, I don't want to be commentarying around the whole video, so that's just me for now. Bye, peace out. we've reached to the end of the video. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I didn't mention before, but you know, I'm back on YouTube trying to upload just elements of my life, and if there's anything you want to see pertaining to HairByVillsStudio, any kind of hairstyle tutorial, you know, please comment down below so that I can see, you know, what the people want to see and I can try do that for you. I live in the UK, so if you have any questions about living in the UK and stuff, I can do like a Q&A or whatnot. But yeah, I'm here, so let me know, comment down below, you know the ropes. If you like this video, please like. If you're new here, please subscribe. I promise to upload more frequently. Obviously, I don't know what happens in the next few months, but you know, I hope I can stay true to my word. And yeah, share as well with your buddies. This is such an important key step in hairdressing, even though I feel like it's going to die out soon, but because there's loads of pre-stretch hair now, but still I think it's good to have this skill. So yeah, thank you again for watching. Take care, keep safe. Mwah.